the lines have all been read, and you knew them all by heart. Now you're moving towards the door. Here it comes, the hardest part. Trying to handle of the door, feeling different, feeling strange. This can never be arranged. As the light fades from the screen, from this famous final scene.